Hey guys, this is Fundo on Anthropagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Jeza follows Gwanda to his secret hideout, and he found Gwanda and fight each other. But it seems like Jeza win on Gwanda, and the police arrive when Gwanda and Jeza are fighting, and they take Gwanda to arrest him. Kwanda refuses to reveal Hleziphi location after Mondli take her into a cell, and Nonka is released. And it seems like Kwanda is enjoying to go to prison when he meets with Nonka, but Nonka got happy from being released on jail. While Kunzi vows to get stronger and go after his enemy. Nosipho get an alarm call from Kunzi. While Madong is disappointed by Mrs. Madlala that Nonka was selling drugs on the harbor. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.